What the hell was that? I'm only yawning because you keep yawning. I'm only yawning because you won't stop. Stop! No, how about you stop? How about turn around so I won't see you yawn? That loud yawn. Go somewhere where I can't hear you. Like, who does that? That loud yawn. Face. I can still see you. Why are you even looking? Shut up! You better hold in that yawn. Everything is over. We're done yawning. See? I don't lie. Don't you dare do it! Jesus!